Salinas de Janubio, I think I'm saying that right. It's basically the salt flats here in Lanzarote, which is one of the Canary Islands. The salt flats was a big thing for their economy and it was their #1 industry before they moved on to obviously when all the tourism came